welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the nude liquid pigment. In my last video, I showed you how to make the pink one. Now I'll be showing you nude, and here I'm just showing off the items that I'll be using. These are my measuring spoons, vitamin E oil, castor oil. The mixer is from Amazon. I will leave that in the link down below. The dropper bottles are also from Amazon. I will leave that in the link down below. TKB Trading's pigment, and I will be using brown. You don't have to use that much because a little goes a long way. I don't know what I was thinking in this video, but I did not need that much because I ended up using a lot of white to achieve the color that I wanted. So just giving you guys a heads up. Like I mentioned in my last video, these are not the exact measurements. You would just have to eyeball it or figure it out on your own. But this is just to show you guys how to make it. So yeah. When you are making your liquid pigments, you want to add more pigment than the oils because you don't want it separating. I mean, it may happen, but if you use enough pigment, then it might not happen, if that makes any sense. I know my lighting is super terrible, but I did mix this up a little bit because I was seeing the castor oil, but I'll be adding some white to my brown pigment because I'm going for a more natural nude, not a dark nude, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm just going to keep adding white till I achieve the color that I want. The vitamin E oil is to increase the shelf life of your pigment. You can always use the preservative oil from TKB Trading, but it's all up to you. For this one, I'll just be using the vitamin E oil. This mixer is your best friend when it comes to working with powdered pigment because you know you get the lumps and stuff in there. So this will help smooth it out. And I did get that from Amazon as well. And all the link to everything will be down below. I know I say it a lot, but you guys don't grasp it all the time. So I have to say it more often. Now that my pigment is nice and smooth, I'm going to add it to the dropper bottle, but please do not do it how I did it. In my last video, I showed you guys to get a funnel, but since I didn't get them on time, I'm going to be adding it to the bottle like this. This can get very messy. This is why I'm telling you guys to get the funnel instead. Now that I am finished, I'm just going to add the cap on and you're all done. You're just going to repeat the steps for the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.